Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to set up your State Farm beacon device, ensuring you can start saving on your auto insurance right away. First, grab your smartphone and text the word SAVE to 42407 to download the State Farm app. Once installed, simply log in using your State Farm user ID and password or your driver's license details. After logging in, navigate directly to the Drive Safe and Save tab to begin the enrollment process. It's a straightforward start to a great program. Now that you're in the app, you'll find simple, step-by-step instructions to complete your enrollment. This typically involves accepting the consent to participate in the Drive Safe and Save program. You'll also need to verify your email address, which is crucial for receiving updates. Finally, confirm the mailing address where you'd like your beacon device to be sent. It usually arrives within a few business days, ready for the next step in your savings journey. Once your beacon device arrives, take it and your smartphone to your car. Open the State Farm app again and go to the Drive Safe and Save tab, then tap Complete Setup for your specific vehicle. Now, locate the small button on your beacon. Press and hold it down for up to 8 seconds until you see a brief light. The app will be actively searching for your beacon during this activation, so keep an eye on your screen. After activating your beacon, the app will display a list of available devices. Select the beacon ID that precisely matches the one printed on the side of your physical beacon. Once paired, use the provided sticker to firmly adhere the beacon to your windshield, ideally behind the rearview mirror. Remember to keep your phone's Bluetooth and location services on for automatic trip recording. Finally, if prompted, enter your car's exact odometer reading into the app to finalize your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.